Hi everyone, today our topic is division. What is division? Division means sharing equally. Division means sharing equally. For example, you have 10 chocolates. You have 10 chocolates. You want to share with your two friends equally. You want to share with your friends, two friends equally. Then each one gets how many? 5. Each one gets 5. Therefore, it can be shown that 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. I repeat again. You have 10 chocolates. You want to share with your two friends equally. Then each one gets 5 chocolates. It can be shown that 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Here is the another example. 15 by 3 is equal to 5. That means 15 items shared with 3 equal groups. Then each group gets 5 items. As to this, 20 items split into 4 equal parts. Then each group contains 5 items. Then each group contains 5 items. Is it clear? Next, why do we use division? Why do we use division? We use division in our day-to-day life. For example, sharing food with friends. Sharing food with friends. For example, you have 8 apples. How many apples you have? 8 apples. You want to share with your 4 friends equally. 4 friends equally. Then each one gets how many apples? 2 apples. Therefore, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. I repeat again. You have 8 apples. Want to share with your 4 friends equally. Then each one gets 2 apples. Therefore, it can be shown that 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Here, another example. You have 30 chocolates and share to 6 friends. Then each one gets 5 chocolates. Is it clear? We also division used at giving equal money. Giving equal money. For example, your mother has given 200 rupees. How much amount? 200 rupees to you and your sister. Then your mother told, share equally both of you. Therefore, each one gets 100 rupees. Therefore, it can be shown that 200 divided by 2 is equal to 100 rupees. How many persons in there? 2 persons. Each one get 100 rupees. And the next one, making equal groups. Making equal groups. Let 20 students in your class make groups of 5 students in each group. Each group contains 5 members. Then how many groups are formed? We have to find how many groups are formed. Therefore, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Then we have to form 4 groups. Here another example. You have 24 pencils and put 6 in each box. Put 6 in each box. Then how many boxes are formed? Therefore, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, we can form 4 boxes or 4 groups, whatever. Another one, finding real life problems. Finding real life problems like time, money, distance, so on, etc. For example, a bike travels. For example, a bike travels 100 km in 4 hours. How many hours? In 4 hours. Then the speed of bike. Then the speed of bike is equal to 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25 km per hour. I repeat again. A bike travels 100 km in 4 hours. Then the find speed of bike per an hour is equal to 100 divided by 4. That is equal to 25 km per hour. Is it clear? One line rule for division is equal to repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction or equal sharing. That is called division. I repeat again. Division is equal to repeated subtraction or equal sharing. Next, important rules of division. The important rules of division. And the first one is dividend. And the first one is dividend. It also called total number. Dividend is also called total number. That means the number we divide. For example, 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Here 30 is the dividend. Here 30 is the dividend. It is the total value. It is the total value. Next, another second one, divisor. Divisor, it's also called number we divide by. It means the number we divide with. For example, 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Here 6 is the divisor. Here 6 is the divisor. It tells how many parts we have to do. It tells how many parts we have to do. I repeat again. The important terms of division. The first one is dividend. Dividend means number. Division means total number. So it is the total. And divisor. Divisor means the number we divide with. Here 6 is the divisor. It tells how many parts we have to do. And the third one, coefficient. That means answer. The result after division. The result after division. The result after division is called coefficient. For example, 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Here 5 is the coefficient. It tells how many in each group. It tells how many in each group. And the last one, remainder. It's also called leftover. The number left after division. For example, 23 divided by 7. Here 7 3s are 21. The remainder is 2. 2 is the remainder. Here 20 is the dividend. 20 is the dividend. 7 is the divisor. And 3 is the coefficient. And 2 is the remainder. Is it clear? Then we discuss about rules of division. The first one is division by 1. Any number divided by 1 and we get same number. For example, 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. 56 divided by 1 is equal to 56. 156 divided by 1 is equal to 156. In all those cases, we get same number division by 1. Next, division by itself. Division by itself. Any number divided by the same number, then we get 1. For example, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. 500 divided by 500 is equal to 1. And 931 divided by 931 is equal to 1. In all those cases, we get answer when the number division itself. The number division by itself, then we get the answer 1. And the third one, division by 0. If any number division by 0, that is undefined. That is undefined. For example, 6 divided by 0 is equal to undefined value. Can't measure. And our next rule is 0 divided by a number. 0 divided by a number is 0. For example, 0 divided by 9 is equal to 0. That means 0 by anything, 0. 0 by 25 is equal to 0. 0 by 13 is equal to 0. 0 by 16 is equal to 0. 0 by 97 is equal to 0. That means 0 by anything, 0. And our next rule, relation with multiplication. Relation with multiplication. Division is the reverse of multiplication. For example, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. That implies 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Another example, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. That implies 12 by 3 is equal to 4. And 6 into 4 is equal to 24. That implies 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So, division is the reverse of multiplication. Here is the important rule, remainder rule. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. For example, 23 divided by 7, 7 3s are 21. The remainder we get 2 and the answer is 3. In this case, 23 dividend, 23 is the dividend is equal to divisor into, that means 7 into coefficient 3 plus remainder we get 2. Therefore, 23 is equal to 23. So, the remainder rule is dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Is it clear? I hope you understood the total division topic also. If you have any doubt, please watch again from the starting. Here below, I give you the quiz. Let's try it. Thank you all.